Okay. Here is a histological representation of the heart. And after we do a dissection tomorrow, we're going to look at these. Or we can even do it today. Probably, let's do it today. This way all we have to worry about is dissecting. Okay. We'll do blood typing and pull out some stuff. Okay. So if we do that, we can get some slides and cover slips, and you can do your own blood today, too. Okay? So how many of you are going to type your own blood today? Okay, so we'll have to have some lancets. Okay, so what are we looking at here? Here are some intercalated discs, big fat ones, and these lines, the other lines in here are striations. Remember what causes the striations from last semester? What causes the striations? The sarcomere. The biological motor of your muscle is the sarcomere, which causes the striations. Right. Thank you. Okay. You're supposed to remember everything. You really are. Okay. So the nuclei in cardiac muscle, they're either oval or round. This is probably a fibroblast. Okay, so here's the sarcomere. It's similar to what was going on in skeletal muscle. So again, everything is fair game there again with respect to the anatomy, the microanatomy. So the sarcoplasmic reticulum, so here's the terminal cisternae of the sarcoplasmic reticulum associated with T-tubules. Membrane potential change, or an action potential, travels across the sarcolemma, which is the cell membrane, goes down into the invagination of the cell membrane, which is T-tubule, instigates a reversal of the polarity. That reversal of polarity stimulates calcium to be released from the sarcoplasmic reticulum. And calcium binds to troponin, which induces the conformational change of tropomyosin, which exposes the cross-bridge binding sites on actin for myosin, and then you get this contraction. Remember all that? Okay. And in my class, I told my class, I don't care if you remember the M line, A bands, who cares? The Z disc is probably the only one you should remember because it's the boundary of the cycle. All these other lines, who gives a crap? Why? Because they disappear in being whether or not also stretched or contracted. So who cares? There's just an anal microscopist way back when decided to name it because he didn't know what he was looking at. Okay.